Hi guys. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to do our reading group lesson. So we're going to do some segment and write, and today we're really just going to focus on the writing part of it. So make sure that you have either like a dry erase marker or a pencil or something to write with in a piece of paper, and then also something to write on. Okay, so if you do not have that, I want you to pause this video and I want you to go get that. Okay, all right. All right, so today we're going to actually kind of level up. So today is an exciting day. We're going to move to a lot of four-letter words, and we are also going to start learning some specific rules about some sounds, okay? So I'm going to put two letters on my board, and you don't have to do this right now, okay? But we know that both of these sounds say k, okay? And so we have to choose when we hear a k, we have to choose which one we're going to use to fulfill that sound, okay? And so I'm going to tell you that a lot of times you're going to use the letter C. And there are more words in a dictionary that start with the letter C than there are K. Okay, so if you have a choice, the safe route is probably to choose a C. Okay, but there's also another little thing that we can remember. We choose a C if our vowel is an A, an O, or a U, okay? We choose a K if our vowel is an I or an E in the word, okay? And if you can remember back in our classroom, it was above Mrs. Clanton's head while she was teaching reading group. I have this kind of outlined, okay? So I'm going to give you some words. We're going to tap it out, and then we're going to work on spelling them, okay? All right, here we go. We're going to start simple first. All right, our first word is kit. Kit. So let's tap that out. Here we go. Ready? K, it. One more time. Ready? K, it. Okay, so there's three sounds. Okay, more importantly though, I hear an I sound. Okay, so what vowel do we hear in the middle? I. And so if you remember back to what Mrs. Clanton said, I said that we use a K when we hear the I. Okay, so we're going to stretch and write at the same time. Here we go. Ready? K, it, kit. Say your sounds with me. Point and say. Here we go. K, it, kit. Very good. All right, here we go. Our next sound that we are going to, our next word, sorry, is the word clam. Everybody say that slowly and bubblegum stretch it. Here we go. Ready? Clam. Okay. All right, now let's tap it out. Here we go. Ready? K, o, and, All right, here we go. Now, does anybody know our vowel sound in that word? It's kind of nasally and says and. That's right. It is going to be an A, okay? And we know that when we have an A sound and we have a k at the beginning, we're going to use the letter C, okay? So we have k, o, and, And that says and because it's right in front of a letter N. Okay? Good job. All right. Let's say our sounds. K, o, and, clam. Very good. All right. Here we go. Our next word is cost. Cost. Okay, let's tap that word out. Ready? K, a, st. One more time. Ready? K, a, st. Now let's stretch and write. Here we go. K, a, st. Cost. Okay, point and say with me. Here we go. Ready? K, a, st. Very good. All right, here we go. Our next word is kelp. Kelp. Everybody tap that word out with me. Here we go. Ready? K, e, l, p. One more time. Ready? K, e, l, p. Here we go. My vowel sounds an so I have to remember Ooh, I'm going to use a K for that K. E, O, kelp. Okay. All right. Last one that we are going to do is the word camp. Okay. Camp. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Let's tap it out too. Okay. Camp. One more time. Here we go. We're going to stretch and write. Ready? Camp. Camp. Hopefully you guys get to go to some camps over summer. Okay? All right. We're going to get ready to do some old word, new word. And remember, last week I showed you how to do it with your pencil, or maybe you have a dry erase board and dry erase marker. So I'm going to show you that way too. If you have letter tiles though, or something that you can build the word with, you can easily do this just like we would in the classroom, okay? But instead, we'll actually use the eraser, okay? All right, here we go. Our first word that I want us to focus on is the word swam. Swam. Let's go ahead and tap that out. Ready? Sw, and, swam. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get it on our board or our paper. Swam. Okay. All right. This word is swam. I now want it to say swim. Swa. Swa. That's a blend, okay? Swa. Eh. Ooh, that sound doesn't make sense. So we're going to change it to make sense. Swa. Eh. Swim. Very good. Okay. All right. This word says swim. I now want it to say swum. Swum. Here we go. Swa. Ooh, that doesn't make sense. So we're going to erase it and we're going to go swa. Swum. Okay. All right. Now listen to this word. Are you ready? I now want this word to say slum. Slum. Ooh, oops, that doesn't make sense. Ooh, slum. Okay. All right, this whole word says slum. I now want it to just say lum. Well, if I would take away this, does it say lum? Yeah, it does. So we're just going to go ahead and take away that S, okay? So now we have the word lum, okay? All right, last one. Are you ready? I'm going to try to trick you. This word is lum. I want it to say lump. Oh, lump. Like sometimes if you get a bug bite, you might have a lump, okay? All right, very good. Okay, hold on just a second and I'm going to get you guys your read words list so that you can practice reading some words. There we go. So here's your read words list, and what you're going to do here in just a second is you are going to pause this video and then you're going to read these words to your mom, dad, or whoever's with you that's helping you learn, okay? And remember, our strategy is we're going to spot the vowel. We're going to read the vowel to the end, and we're going to chunk that little part together, and then we're going to start again, okay? Let me show you, okay? Here we go. Ready? Here's my vowel. Odd. Odd, and then I'm going to start again. K, odd, cod. I'll show you one more. Here we go. Ready? It, start again. K, it. Okay? Now you pause this video and you practice reading all of these words, okay? And make sure that you look through the whole entire word because there's some of them on here that have 4 sounds, okay? And I can't wait to hear you read this week.